You ever feel broke? Even though you're making decent money? You've got a paycheck coming in, but somehow, your bank account is always empty? You're not lazy. You're not dumb, but you might be doing a few things that are secretly keeping you broke. Hey friends, welcome back to Financially Smart Mind. Today, we're exposing 5 hidden habits that keep people broke, and how to break them for good. Let's dive in. Number 1. You don't know where your money's actually going. You might think you know, but when's the last time you tracked every single expense for 30 days? Not just the big stuff. I'm talking gas station snacks, digital subscriptions, delivery fees, bank charges. If you're not tracking, you're leaking. And if you're leaking, you're losing. You don't need to obsess, but you do need awareness. Number 2. You upgrade your lifestyle every time you earn more. This is what destroys most people. Lifestyle creep. You get a raise, new phone. Side hustle takes off. You move to a fancier apartment. Instead of growing wealth, you just grow your bills. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about being intentional. Live a little below your means, and you'll always be free. Number 3. You borrow for the wrong reasons. Credit cards, personal loans. Buy now, pay later. Most people don't borrow to invest. They borrow to consume. A phone upgrade, a vacation, new clothes, all paid for with money they haven't earned yet. And then they wonder why they're stuck. Debt isn't evil. But if it's not making you richer, it's probably making you poorer. Number 4. You think budgeting is optional. Let's be real. If you don't budget, you're not in control. You're guessing. Budgeting isn't a punishment. It's permission. Permission to spend on what matters and ignore what doesn't. Even just using a simple app or spreadsheet can help you save thousands a year. Number 5. You focus only on saving, not earning more. If you're only focused on cutting back, eventually you hit a wall. You can't frugal your way to freedom. At some point you have to grow. A side hustle, freelancing, content, investments. Learn how to make money while you sleep, not just survive while you work. Final thoughts. If you saw yourself in any of these 5 habits, don't beat yourself up. We've all been there, but now you know, and now you can do something about it. Start small, stay consistent, and build your financially smart mind, one smart move at a time. Thank you all for watching. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. We've got more money mindset shifts coming your way.